Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the original, make a duplicate, and never work on the damaged source. Once done, inspect file size and timestamp to confirm corruption versus incomplete transfer. Now open Photoshop and attempt a normal open. If it fails, try File Open As and select Photoshop RAW to force an import. This can expose layer data or allow partial recovery. Make sure to note error messages. They guide the next moves and tell you whether header or data blocks are damaged. Once you have the duplicate, target the file structure. The header often gets corrupted, so open the copy in a hex editor and look for the 8 BPS signature. If absent, you can graft a correct header from a healthy PSD. Next, try renaming the file to PSB if it's large. Other editors like GIMP or Affinity sometimes bypass strict checks and open content. When manual fixes fail, run a reputable PSD repair utility or scan for Adobe Temp and autosave files. To extract recoverable layers, you finalize by exporting whatever you recovered into stable formats, layered TIFF or a clean PSD, then create version backups to prevent repeat loss. Make sure to consolidate or flatten only when necessary, and export visible elements as PNGs if layers remain unusable. If the file still won't open, check disk health and file permissions, restore previous versions from backups or cloud storage, and contact Adobe support with error details. One tip: keeping frequent autosave intervals and off-site backups prevents most future emergencies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.